Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about the verb to be, and we are going to see the past form of to be and how to use it in English. Okay. So, how to use the verb to be. Now, the past form or the past tense of the verb to be is was or were. Okay. So, let's see how to use was and were in affirmative sentence, negative sentences, questions, and let's do some exercise based on it in the end. Okay. So first, let's see how to use was, were in the affirmative or the positive sentences. Okay. First example, let's take I, first person, the one who is talking. So with I, what do you use? Was or were? I was or I were. Which one is correct? I is singular. So we use was. I was, say, hungry. I was hungry. Okay. Then second person, you, the one to whom I am talking, we say you. Second person, you, we write were. We don't use you was. It is incorrect. So you were hungry. Then third person, he, she, or it. So, what do we use? Third person singular. So, singular were, was. So, he was hungry, she was hungry, or it was hungry. Got it? Then, plural of I, we. We, what do we write? Was or were. Which one is correct? Were. So, we were hungry. Then, plural of you is you. You were hungry. And plural of third person, they were hungry. Okay. Then let's write the negative form. In negative form, what we have to do? We have to use negative word. Okay. So now let's do the negative form. Now, if I want to make this sentence negative, how do we do it? I was hungry. Make it negative. I was not hungry. So, we have to add not. I was not hungry. You were not hungry. Then he was not hungry. She was not hungry. It was not hungry. Same way, we were not hungry. Got it? You were not hungry. And they were not hungry. Now, all this you can also write in the contracted form. We have only one contraction over here. Like, I was not hungry. You can write like this. I wasn't hungry. Okay. You Then he, she, it wasn't hungry. Okay. So he, she, it wasn't hungry. Then we weren't hungry. We weren't hungry. In place of the vowel O in not, we have put apostrophe to form the contraction. Then you, same way, you weren't hungry, plural. And last one, they weren't hungry. So this is the contracted form. Got it? Now let's see the question. How to use was, were to form questions. Let's form questions using was, were. Okay. So positive, let's see first the positive questions. First person with I, we use was. So was I hungry? Question mark. Second person, we use were. So were you hungry? It is a question, so we put question mark. Then he, she, it, third person singular, was. Was he hungry? Was she hungry? Was it hungry? So was he, she, it hungry. Okay. Then plural of I, we. So with we use were. Were we hungry? Question mark. Then were you hungry? Plural of you. And last, plural of third person, they. So were. Were they hungry? Question mark. Okay. So we have used was, were to form questions. So it is called question forms. Now let's see negative questions. How to make use of was, were in negative questions. Only thing is you have to add negative word. Okay. So like first, was I hungry will become wasn't I hungry. Okay. Then second one will be weren't you hungry? Question mark. Then wasn't she hungry? Wasn't he hungry? Wasn't it hungry? Question mark. Then weren't we hungry? The contraction form we have used here to form negative questions. Then the last one, weren't they hungry? Okay. So in this way we have formed negative questions. Now let's do some exercise based on it. Exercise based on was, were. What you have to do is use the verb to be in affirmative simple past form. Means you have to use either was or were, the correct form in the sentence. First sentence, the students be. Here you have to use the correct form was or were. So the students be generous. So students is plural. So what do we use? Was or were? Which one is correct? Were. So we write like this. The students were generous. Got it? Second sentence. Hurry, be naughty. So hurry is third person singular. So we use was. So hurry was naughty. Okay, one more sentence. Third one. They be careless. So they is third person plural. So we use the plural verb were. So they were careless. So we write like this. They were careless. Got it? So now in the second exercise we'll see how to use it in the negative form. So use the verb to be in negative. Okay. First example. Second exercise. Okay. So he be courageous. We have to use negative simple past form. Means we have to make use of negative word not in it. So he, third person singular. So he, we use was, add not to it, and contracted we use wasn't. So he wasn't courageous, or we can also write he was not courageous. So two forms. So he was not courageous, or in the contracted form also we can write he wasn't courageous. Okay, so let's see another sentence. Second one. We be on time. Now we is first person plural. Okay, so we have to use were with the plural subject. So we were, as it is negative, add not. We were not on time. Okay. Now, can we write in the contracted form? Yes, we can write it. How to do it? We were, in place of vowel O, we put apostrophe. We weren't on time. Okay, understood how to do it? Okay, hope you have understood how to make use of was, were in sentences. Any question you can ask in the comment. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.